What if you could break free from the 9 to 5 grind and still maintain a comfortable lifestyle? How would you define wealth? This question has puzzled many for centuries. Is wealth just about the accumulation of cash and assets, or is there more to it? We live in a world that often equates wealth with money. It's easy to get caught up in the belief that having more money equates to being wealthier. But wealth, in its true essence, can mean different things to different people. For some, it's about financial security and independence. For others, it's about having time to spend with loved ones or the ability to pursue passions and interests without monetary constraints. So let's challenge the conventional wisdom. Let's redefine wealth, not just as a measure of financial assets, but as a holistic concept that encompasses various aspects of our lives. Let's delve into what wealth truly means and why it's so important. Wealth isn't just about the number of zeros in your bank account. It's a common misconception, really, that wealth is solely about monetary abundance. But let's take a moment to delve deeper and redefine what wealth truly means. Imagine having a mountain of money, but no time to enjoy it, or having poor health that prevents you from living life to the fullest. Would you still consider yourself wealthy? Probably not. So, you see, wealth extends beyond mere dollar signs. It encompasses non-material assets that are often overlooked, yet are fundamental to our well-being and personal growth. One such asset is knowledge. The power of knowledge is immense. It's like a key that opens many doors, providing opportunities for personal and financial growth. It's not just about knowing how to make money, but also understanding how to manage it, how to invest it wisely, and how to make it work for you. This is where financial literacy comes into play. It's an essential skill that serves as a foundation for building wealth. A person who is financially literate knows how to navigate the complex world of finance, making informed decisions that can lead to financial stability and independence. Wealth is not the end goal, but it's a powerful tool that can provide freedom and options. Let's unpack this. Imagine wealth not just as an accumulation of money, but as a key. This key can unlock doors that might otherwise remain closed. One of those doors is the door to freedom. Wealth can provide you the freedom from the constraints of a typical 9 to 5 job. It can afford you the freedom to pursue your passions, to travel, to spend more time with loved ones, or to simply enjoy the fruits of your labor. This freedom, however, is not merely about indulgence or leisure. It's about choice. When you're wealthy, you have the choice to live life on your own terms. You're not bound by the pressures of living paycheck to paycheck or the fear of financial instability. You have the ability to make decisions based on what you truly desire, not just what you can afford. But wealth isn't just about personal freedom and choice. It's also about security. Think of wealth as a safety net. It can protect you from the unexpected twists and turns of life, whether that's a job loss, a health issue, or an economic downturn. It gives you the peace of mind knowing that you have a buffer against the uncertainties of life. Moreover, wealth allows you to help others. It empowers you to make a difference in your community, to support causes you care about, and to provide for your loved ones. It enables you to leave a positive impact and to create a legacy that goes beyond your lifetime. In essence, wealth is not the destination, but a vehicle. It's a vehicle that can take you to the places you want to go, offer you the experiences you want to have, and grant you the opportunities you want to seize. It's a vehicle that can provide you with the freedom, security, and ability to make a difference. So, yes, wealth is important, not because it's a symbol of success or a measure of worth, but because of the doors it can open and the possibilities it can create. Being wealthy gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms. Building wealth is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey. It's a journey that begins with understanding that every dollar you save is a step towards financial freedom. It's about making conscious decisions like cutting back on unnecessary expenses and putting that saved money to work for you. Now, let's talk about saving. Saving is not just about stashing money under your mattress. It's about putting your money in a safe place where it can grow. This could be a high-yield savings account, a retirement fund, or any other investment that generates returns over time. Remember, the objective is to grow your wealth, not just maintain it. But saving is just one part of the equation. If you want to truly build wealth, you need to invest. Investing is like planting a seed and watching it grow. With the right care and conditions, that seed can grow into a tree, providing shade, fruit, and potentially more seeds to plant. Investments work the same way. They can provide you with regular income, capital gains, and even the opportunity to reinvest your earnings. Diversifying your income streams is another important aspect of building wealth. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Have multiple income streams, such as a day job, a side business, investments, and passive income. Speaking of passive income, it's the holy grail of wealth building. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it. It could come from rental properties, a blog, a YouTube channel, or dividends from stocks. The beauty of passive income is it provides you with the freedom to do what you love without worrying about money. Remember, building wealth is not about instant gratification. It requires patience, discipline, and a well thought out plan. It's about making choices today that will lead to financial freedom tomorrow. Don't be discouraged if the journey seems long. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. As the saying goes, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Building wealth is all about making your money work for you. So start today. Make your money work for you and enjoy the freedom that comes with financial security. Your wealth isn't just about you. It's about your family and future generations too. Let's delve into this a little deeper, shall we? When we talk about building wealth, it's not just for the fancy cars, the luxury vacations, or the sprawling mansions. No, it's much more profound than that. It's about creating a solid foundation for your family and future generations. Think about it. By building wealth, you're setting up your family to have a financial cushion. This cushion can help them weather any financial storms that might come their way. An inheritance isn't just a lump sum of money that gets passed down. It's a lifeline, a safety net, a buffer against the uncertainties of life. But wealth isn't just about leaving an inheritance. It's also about teaching your children the importance of financial literacy. It's about imparting the knowledge and the tools they need to manage and grow their own wealth. This way, they can stand on their own 2 feet, make informed decisions, and navigate the complex world of finances with ease and confidence. Moreover, Building wealth is about creating a legacy that transcends beyond the confines of physical wealth. It's about the values, the principles, the lessons that you pass down. It's about the difference you make in the world, the lives you touch, the change you inspire. Remember, wealth is not a destination, but a journey. And on this journey, your family is your most treasured companion. They are the ones who will carry forward your legacy, your values, and your lessons. So make sure you equip them with the knowledge, the resources, and the wisdom they need to continue this journey. In the end, wealth is not just about personal freedom. It's about creating opportunities for your family and future generations. It's about empowering them to live a life of abundance, prosperity, and happiness. And that, my friends, is the true essence of wealth. So, we've explored what wealth means, why it's important, and how to build it. To recap, wealth extends far beyond the dollar signs in your bank account. It's about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time, the security to weather life's unexpected storms, and the ability to create a lasting legacy. We've also discussed how building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, discipline, and a clear vision of the lifestyle you want to lead. It's about breaking free from the confines of a 9-to-5 job and taking control of your own destiny. Finally, we've underscored the importance of building wealth for your family's future. By securing your own financial stability, you are laying the groundwork for your family's prosperity for generations to come. Remember, wealth is more than money. It's about freedom, security, and creating a legacy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the post notifications bell for more wealth building content